Customers typically add a volume group in Nutanix storage to address specific performance, availability, and architectural requirements. First, we will go through the procedure, and then we will share some benefits and use cases. From the main menu in Prism Central, click on Storage, and then select Volume Group. Now create a new volume group. Name your new VG, select the cluster, and click on Add Disk. Now decide on the size of that disk and click Add. Here, you can enable a default storage policy. Here, you can edit the configuration, connections, and management. Once done, click Create. Now, right-click on your new VG and select Update. In this case, we are choosing external clients and an iSCSI before adding the external client with the client IQN or IP address. For a Windows VM in iSCSI, choose our target IP and click Done. Still in Windows, but now in Disk Management. Right-click on the new disk and select New Simple Volume. In the Simple Volume wizard, specify size, assign a drive letter or path, adjust partition settings, and finalize the volume. Here are some benefits and use cases. External storage presentation. Shared storage for clustered applications. High-performance workloads. Disaster recovery and metro availability. Data and boot disk separation. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.